Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Pankaj Tomar. Mr. Pankaj comes with more than 17 years of experience in the insurance sector, and he's currently the Chief Underwriting Officer at AXA France. And also, he was also student of the first batch of PGDM in insurance from BIMTech. Thank you so much for joining us, Pankaj sir. Over to you, please.
Thanks, Rajesh. A very good afternoon and very happy new year to everyone. And a big hello to all the great professionals who have decided to pursue this online program. In fact, I cannot resist myself from sharing with you all that I took a similar decision almost 20 years back when I decided to pursue a program with BIMTech, and it was a certificate program in insurance for 1 year, which eventually I would say has transformed my professional journey. And why it has transformed my journey? Uh, because of the timing. I mean, the sheer timing of joining that course has transformed the journey in next 2 decades. And today, I witness the same visionary course being launched by BIMTech and Upgrade. So thank you very much, everyone, for having me here to share my views. And I still remember a few words of Dr. Chaturvedi during one of our conversations 20 years back when BIMTech launched a program in insurance. He said that we have a vision, but the execution will have to be done together by BIMTech and the participants who have joined this course. So even with this course, as I said, the timing is perfect. And the timing is perfect because of two essential reasons. One is that with this unfortunate pandemic, while I come from the industry, I can share with you all that we have seen some silver linings during this pandemic times. And one of the silver lining is that we have learned as an industry that going forward, we are going to use less brick and mortar, lesser face-to-face interactions, because in last 1 year, these two factors have reduced our cost in a significant way. So even when things go normal, when we go back to our normal days, we would like this feature to be a permanent feature as far as the industry is concerned. So with this, phenomenal change in lesser brick and mortar and lesser face-to-face interaction, what has gained in last 6 months or 1 year's time is the credibility and acceptability of the alternate education. And that is precisely is the online education. So this is, according to me, is the right time, the best time for all of you to get into it. And that is the reason I have shared my experience, because I could relate to what you all are entering into today, what I did some 20 years back when I had several questions in my mind. Dr. Chaturvedi had several questions in his mind, but during our conversations, we were very clear that we have a right vision and execution has to be done together. So it's a joint responsibility of BIMTech, Upgrade, and all those people who have decided to pursue this online program. The other factor I would like to highlight with you all, because you have decided to join the online program, is that I come from financial service industry, typically from insurance industry from last 20 years. So we have seen that in last 5 years, a lot of millennial workforce has been growing up with a lot of emphasis on something called internship and experiential learning. And that is the reason it has given an acceptability to the online education. I mean, things were very different probably a decade back when our online education was seen with some kind of a question mark. But in last 5 years, what we have seen is a phenomenal change in the way we as an industry are ready to accept the credibility of the online education. So I would like to encourage all of you to make most of it. And we all are there to support you in any possible manner. So with this, I'll close my talks. Once again, I would like to congratulate you all for joining this course. Trust me, this is the right time. And with the new year, I can say that you are going to realize the fruits of it probably in the next 5 or 10 years. Thank you very much.